Hi learners, very good evening. This is Tulasi doing your complete analysis of the Chhattisgarh set 2024. So here I am going to give the full solution paper analysis. The learners who are new to our channel, kindly subscribe Unify Study and watch till the end and like the video and share with your friends. Now come on, let's start with the analysis of CG set. First question. The first question talks about from teaching aptitude, asking question from the learner characteristics which will be helpful for doing effective teaching. Learner's respect for teacher will not be the case. The right answer for the question is 2, 3, 4 and 6. And this is the previous year question asked in the NET examination. Next question from assessment, that is formative and summative. Yesterday in the marathon session, we discussed more about these evaluation things. The right answer for this question is assertion is right and the reason is wrong. Why? Because summative compared to summative, formative is not said to be reliable. Summative is said to be reliable. Formative is not reliable as much of summative. Clear? So the C is the right answer. Next one is the learning is continuous. Teacher must start teaching at the level of student's mind for the better learning. This is called association. We have to associate. Principle of association. In order to identify the individual differences of learners in the class, which of the following is used by a teacher? Formative assessment, unit test, small tests that are giving during the classroom teaching, right? That is called a formative assessment. And next, very easy question asked from the levels of teaching and their proponents. I think many of you have got this answer right because many of the times we have done in our practice session. And also memory level is Hubbard, understanding level Morrison, reflective level Hunt. So A1, B2 and C3. Next one, a question from research aptitude. Very interesting question it is. The right answer for the question is option B is the right answer. Right? So reliability, stable, consistent, dependable. It talks about the stable, consistent and dependable. Right? Same thing they have related. And then validity, it talks about what? Validity means it talks about the measurement, what we use to measure. Right? Validity. So here the right answer is option B is the right answer. Next, a question from research aptitude. When we handle digital data, how we will handle using the ICT tools? First, we have to clean the data, removing the unwanted data, right? And then we will, during the entry point of time, what we will do the validation will be happening and then the analysis will turn. Clear? According to me, option B is the right answer of this question. And next one, this is from APA style. APA style, there is a term called running head. Running head means the in the title of the page, right? In the top of the page, it will be in a shorthand, the title will be presented. Okay, and it does not represent the author's name, it represents the title actually. It is an abbreviated version of the paper's title, not the author's name, which helps to ensure the author's name is clearly displayed. It's not author's name, it is the title of the paper. Okay, so assertion is true and the reason is false. Next one, the steps of writing the research article. Starts with the choosing a topic and then outlining the main points and then conduct the research and gather information, and then it goes with writing the first draft and editing. According to me, this will be the first option, is according to my perception. And next one, 10th one. The right answer for the question is option A is the right answer. Literature review, hypothesis formulation, data collection, data analysis and reporting, right? And a question from reading comprehension, very easy it was. The 11th question, the answer is lexical. And for the cognitive competence means thinking, that is to recognize. World view means the viewpoint to see the world, option B. And for the 14th question, the answer is cognitive competency develops in mother tongue. And for the 15th question, the answer is option D, semantic. Right? Yes. Next question from communication. For this, upward communication means goes from the employee to the employer, right? To the superior it goes. So the subordinate will not give the instructions, right? So this will not be there. If we eliminate the fourth option, option C is the right answer. And then next one, process of communication. Here the right answer is option D is the right answer. This starts with ideation and then it ends with the feedback. And then next, from the grapevine communication means what? It is of rumor and informal communication. So personal news and rumors will go spread faster than the other things. Next one, this is a question from communication will be done based on the signs and symbols, right? So this second option is, they are telling it is not required, but it will be most important. The system of symbol is most required. So option 2 they are given is not. So this will not come. If we eliminate, I'll be getting option 1 and 3 are the right answer. And then this question, I have a doubt with this question, because according to communication, feedback is most important, but they are given as inconsequential part of communication. So I have a doubt with this question. So I have not marked the answer with this one. And next one, this is very easy. This is 10 and then 11 and then next will be 12, right? So 12 means when I add, I'll be getting 43. Next one is 13, adding plus 43 plus 13 is 56 and 56 plus 14 is 70, right? So 10, 20, 31, 56, 70. Very easy. This is 10, this is 11 and this will be 12. So this number will comes as 43 and then numbers between 43 and this one will be 13 and this will be 14. Clear? The number is 43. And the next, this is also very easy. As the denominator is all the same, we should go for the greatest one, right? So which is the greatest fraction is this one. So 19 by 23 will be the greatest one, right? And this is also very easy. 8% of x is equal to 0.04. 8% of y is equal to 0.004. So what can be happen here? So x is equal to 0.04 into 100 divided by 8 and then y is equal to 0.004 into 100 divided by 8. So when I divide, this will be giving 0.5 and this will be giving me 0.05. So the right answer for the question is option 1 and 2 is the right answer. Next one, very easy and easy question. By selling a chair of rupees 400, the seller incurs a loss of 20%. What is the cost of the chair and how much you would have sold if you got is 18%. So we have a formula for SP and CP, right? So when we convert the formula, we'll be getting the answer for 500 and 540 will be the right answer for this question. Clear? For the detail, I'll give you the formulas also. You can also try it one. For the cost price, we have to go with this formula 100 plus 100 minus L percentage into SP, right? To find out the next the SP, we have to calculate, right? For that, what we have to do? 100 plus gain percentage divided by 100 into CP. So when I calculate this by substituting the value of 400 here and then the loss is 20%, so 80 here, I'll be getting 500. Okay, and now I want to convert it here and then I'll be getting 8% profit. So by 100 into CP is what? CP is 500. So when I convert, I'll be getting 540 rupees. So what is the cost of the chair? The cost of the chair is 500. How much you would sell if we gain for 8%? The selling price is 540. Clear? Yes. Next one, this is very simple. With first one itself, we can easily able to give. So if 2x by y is equal to 2 by 3 means 2x by y is equal to 2 into 2 we have to do. That's all, simple, right? Here I multiplied by 2, here I multiplied by 2. That's all. So this comes 4 by 3. Okay, this is 4 by 3. So A is 3, only one option. So simply we can calculate. And then this is very easy. All politicians are honest. All honest are said to be fair. Okay, if we just go through this one, some honest are politicians, yes, this will come, and some no honest is politicians. No honest is politician will not come because there is a relationship. Some fair are politician, yes, this will come. All fair are politicians we cannot say because it is in the superset. So this will not come. 1 and 3 is the right answer. Next one, Pramana, is very easy question. Pratyaksh means what? Perception, right? Which we do through our senses. So this is, I hope you are getting more right answers. Please mark down your right answers. A2 is the right answer and then Anumana is for inference here. See, directly we have got, so A2, B4, C Shabda means what? Through the words, trustworthy words we go. C3 and D is for one comparison. Very good. And this is the question, the right answer is B and G in all the three shapes. See here, the B and G is in the square, in the circle and also in this triangle. So this is the right answer. And the next one, this is also the same type of logical reasoning question. Some books are pens. So some books are pens, and then they have again given that no pen is a pencil. So pencil will come out. Okay, when we compare this, only this option will come because some pens are books is possible. Some pencils are books, it's not possible because there is no direct link between books and pencils. So this will not come. Some books are not pencil, this will also not come. No, all pencils are books, that will also not come. Only one option is the right answer. Next one, for this question, according to me, the answer is option C will be the right answer. And next one, histogram. Histogram means what? It will be like this without any gaps, right? Without any gaps, it will be like this. And this we call it as histograms, right? And this is applicable for the continuous data. So they both are said to be the right answer. There is no gap between the bars as histogram. It's suitable for continuous variables, right? Clear. And this is very interesting question. The right answer for the question is approximately 500%. Growth rate means what? Present value 379 and the previous value, because they are comparing with the 2019 to 2015 and divided by 63 into 100. If I calculate, I will be getting approximately 500%. Clear? Yes. Next question, very easy. All the scales of measurements it has been asked. The right answer, see, the interval scale is nothing but is having the arbitrary 0 point. So, and then ratio scale, all the three will be there. So, 4 we can match with A. So, 4 we can match with A and interval 3 can C. So, only one option, that is B, is the right answer for this question. And next, this is the question from this data interpretation. Here, the right answer for this question is 2016 is the right answer for this one. Because they have asked the maximum growth in sales turnover in respect to the previous years. So we have to do like this, that is 195 minus 63 divided by 63, and then here definitely there is a decline is there, but even though we are going to write 195 minus 150, right, with the previous is 195, and similarly 253 minus 150 minus 150 divided by 150. Similarly 379 minus 253 divided by 253. Clear? So if we do the calculation and into 100, we have to do into 100, all into 100. Okay. Yes. So with this one, the maximum growth is there for this year, that is between 2015 and 16, right? So 16 is the maximum growth is being attained. We can just go with the answer 2016. If we calculate here, it comes around to 209 and this comes around to 23%. This is 23. Sorry. This is 23%, and for this the answer will be near around 68%. Okay, and for this the answer will be around 49%. We can also calculate for this the maximum growth is with the 2016. Clear? Yes. And next one, how many years witness more than the average growth? So if we take the average growth, that average growth will comes around 69.8 will be the average growth, and this will be more in how many places? Means see in the above one we can got that more than 69.8. I think so. The right answer for this question will be 1. Right? Yes. Clear? Yes, maybe 1. Next question, interesting from ICT based question. The answer is blockchain is the right answer, and then for this the answer is the Umang is the right answer, through which the single window access to all the government schemes, Umang. And then VOLT is the voice over long term evaluation. Very easy questions from ICT this time. MOOC is nothing but massive open online courses. And then the right answer for the email client is what? Direct question. Email client is nothing but Gmail is the right answer for this one. And next one, which of the following is the ozone layer is found? The right answer for this question is stratosphere. Clear? The right answer for this question is stratosphere. And then next we have the question from environment. Very easy. World Environment Day, this 5th of June. So with this one answer we can mark it out. Okay, right. And World Water Day is on 22nd March. Sustainable Energy Day. Actually, this is said to be a week of days. Between that last week of February will be the World Sustainable Energy Day, and the World Earth Day is on 22nd of April, right? Yes, next question, the question from environmental conservation. The answer for this question is Kyoto Protocol. In the year 2020, right, 147 country participated and talked about this long-term low emission, and this was passed in the Kyoto Protocol. Okay, right. And next question here, all potential pollutants which affects the human community we call as potential pollutants, and they are responsible because of the human it being done. So both the statements are said to be correct. And next one, very important question, increasing order of the lifetime of the greenhouse gas in the atmosphere. Option B is the right answer. Surface ozone, and then comes methane, and then comes option D CFC11, CFC2, and then B nitrous oxide, right? Very good. Next one from higher education, very easy question. Indian Institute of Science, we know it's in Bangalore. So A2 will be the option. So we can eliminate option A and D, and we can go with B4. We have to check Postgraduate Institute of Medical Education and Research, and it is there in the Indian Institute of Petroleum, Dehradun, and B is in the Chandigarh. Yes, okay. Indian Institute of Petroleum is in Dehradun and Postgraduate Institute of Medical Research in the Chandigarh. Option B is the right answer. And next question from very interesting question. We all know that the three university was MBC, that is Madras, Bombay, Calcutta, and which is the first one initiated is nothing but the Kolkata University, because it was been established in the year January 18 and 1857. Bombay next, it has been established in July 18, 1857, and University of Madras in September 5, 1857. So we have to remember this month also. So the first university in India established in 1857 is located in Kolkata. Clear? Yes. And next question, which is the oldest university established in the state of Chhattisgarh? Indra Kala Sangeet Vishwavidyalaya is the right answer. And the next question is the highest dropout rate in the higher education. D is the right answer. And next one, option C is the right answer. Here I have given the years also. I hope this answer discussion will be most useful to you. Please kindly subscribe the channel and also post your score in the comment section, and which will be useful for you also to know what your score about, right? So thank you so much for saying to Unify Study. Share the video with your friends so that they can also know about their scores. Thank you so much. Tata, bye.